Do you get this foot pain? It's especially bad when you first step down onto the floor in the morning, or if you've been sitting for a while. Maybe there's a weakness in the hip or even weakness in the knee. Lack of knee strength is one of the big contributing factor to foot pain or developing foot pain and foot problems. So you can actually target the cause and actually do something about it long term. In terms of short term management, this taping is something that's used a lot in this clinic to give people some relief in their foot pain. What I've got here is the 2 centimeter thick tape. So this one is about my thumb's width. Okay, and this is perfect for use for the foot. So let's get to it. There are only 4 strips that you need to put on the foot. It's simple, but it does take a bit of practice to get good at it. So I'm going to use my foot to demonstrate this. The first one is what we call an anchor. Okay, what we do is we put the anchor around the forefoot, and then we stick it onto the top to anchor it down, like so. Okay, so the tape is not joined in the middle, and it is like a C shape that cups the forefoot area. Now, second strip is like a horseshoe shape. So we go from the inside, near the side of the big toe here, we wrap around the heel, and then we finish onto the other side of the foot, like so. So just like a horseshoe shape. The third strip is the main part. This part you have to get right. It's a little tricky. To start with the third strip, you need your foot in plantar grade. That means your toes are drawn up. So making sure when you're taping, your foot is not relaxed in the tiptoe position. We want it up at least 90 degrees. Now you start from the inside at an angle. Okay, and then we tape it around the heel, outside, and we pull it back onto the inside. And then we seal it off inside here. So that thing again, going on the outside, around on the inside part. Okay, so it's like a figure 6, and I finish on the inside. And the last one, the 4th strip, is just like the first one. We seal it off from the top, and then we go around just the forefoot, and then we finish at the top, like that C shape, exactly the same as the first strip that we put down. And then here we are, finished product. Okay, so what this does is that it takes the pressure away from the sole of your foot, puts it around the big toe area. The strongest part is the big toe. Make that part do the work and not your heel or your foot area.